Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I am Muhammad Irfan Abiyu. Today on Tuesday, 2 March 2021, happy gathering with us, which will to the real news and which in taken factually and actually, either in international and national. Let's begin the news today. Virus variant first found in Britain now spreading rapidly in US. A new study bolstered the prediction by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention that the so-called by.117 variant will dominate COVID-19 cases by March. A more contagious variant of the coronavirus first found in Britain spreading rapidly in the United States, doubling roughly every 10th today, according to a new study. Analyzing half of a million coronavirus tests and hundreds of guinness attempts of researchers predicate that in a month with this variant could become predominant in the United States, potentially being a share of the case and increased risk of death. The new research offered the first national look at the history of the variant now, as a B.117 since of arrived in United States in late 2020. The new research offered the first national look at the history of the variant known as B.117 since it arrived in the United States in late 2020 last month. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned that B.117 could become predominant by March. If it behaved the way it did in Britain, the new study confirms that projected path. Nothing in this paper is surprising, but people need to see it, said Christian Anderson, CEO of author of the study and the virologist at the Scripps Research Institute in La Jolla, California. We should probably be prepared for this being to predominance lineage in most places in the United States by March. If these data are representative, there might be limited time to edge, he said. Dr. Anderson and his colleagues posted their study online on Sunday. It has not yet been published in a scientific journal. When the British government announced the discovery of B.117 on December 20, Dr. Anderson and other researchers in the United States began checking for it in American coronavirus samples. The first case turned up the deaths 26 in Colorado, and Dr. Anderson for another soon after in San Diego. In short order, it was reported in many other parts of the country. Well, viewers, that's all the news. May it's useful for viewers. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.